Good evening, YouTubers. Thank you very much for joining me today. Like, share, and subscribe. Yep, the world is a rocking and a rolling today, and what's gonna be coming next? Here we have a live view from the Old Faithful webcam. USGS is reporting 26 earthquakes today, the largest being a magnitude 2.7. Yep, the Madison River area. Let's zoom into that. Look at all those quakes just today. Looking at the thumbnails, yeah, look at all the activity happening across the board. Steamboat Geyser erupted today, too. It was its first eruption in over 89 days, almost 90 days. So here is that recent 2.7 earthquake. They did not fudge about the size of the earthquake. Yeah, rather surprising. We got two shortly afterwards, which are not being reported as of yet. The first one is a magnitude 1.65, and the second one a 1.60. That's the recent data that I downloaded. Let's close this out and you can see all the earthquakes. Now this here is the earthquake activity that's happening down there in Mexico. Let's see, this earthquake right here, they're not reporting. It is a magnitude 1.85. Let's look at the spectrogram. 2:14 p.m. We got another one right here. It's fairly large. That would be 3:22 p.m. today, and that comes in as a magnitude 1.86. At 2:56, there was a magnitude 1.99, not being reported. 1738, they are reporting this one. They're saying it's a 1.2, but it actually comes in as a magnitude 1.56. They are reporting this one too at 1726, saying it's a magnitude 1.5, but it comes in as a magnitude 1.86. This one at 1659, they're saying is a magnitude 0.9, but it's actually a 1.53. This one here, they're saying is a magnitude 2.0, and they are not fudging about that one. It's actually a 2.07 at 1608. They are reporting this one at 1347, saying it's a magnitude 1.7. It's actually a magnitude 1.92. I'm just going to pick out some of the larger ones here. Let's see, we got 2234. Now they are reporting this one. They're saying it's a 1.7, but it actually comes in as a magnitude 2.21. Let's see. Let's go to this one right here at 2353. That one is not being reported. A magnitude 2.25. Yeah, they're getting a lot of them. And, you know, yesterday there was that large one they had, that magnitude 3.9. Yeah, I'm not surprised at these. I don't know if I reported this yesterday, but Soda Butte, yep, that's screaming. Yep, we got a lot of, I think I did this late last night when I did my report for Yellowstone about the screaming that was going on and all the activity. I don't know if, you know, it's just continuation. I'd have to go back and look at the time of these earthquakes and when they all started happening. Yeah, the lines of earthquakes don't match up from what I remember happening yesterday. Little West Thumb or West Thumb. Yeah, we got blobs of magma that was coming in. Let me go to the signature. There's the line of melt. Not surprised. Look at that. Oh, there's two lines of melt there. I talked about the dike intrusion that was going on, where it's trying to come in. Yep, look at that. There we go. More recently, yeah, we had a lot of popping of the rock. Drum beats, as I call them, coming across. Let's go to the spectrogram. Again, this is West Thumb. And this here is from the activity from the earthquakes down there in Mexico. Look at how it stirred up the caldera. Brought up heated water and gases and, yeah, shook up the magma chamber. Look at that. Let's go over here. It's like, holy cow. I posted it on Twitter, a brief view of it when it was coming in there. Now, this is the Borehole 207 at the Madison River area. And look at all the earthquakes. Yeah, earthquakes have definitely been increasing greatly there at Yellowstone in the Madison River area. Many of you that have been following me for a while probably will remember the borehole. I showed you a diagram of this deep well that was dug under the ground atop of cement so it doesn't pick up any outside noise. And then way down at the bottom, we'll make it bigger. We got the seismometers and the stream meters. The earthquake monitors are 663 feet below the earth. One football field is 360 feet in length. So that'll give you an idea how deep this well is dug into the ground. That is a lot of earthquakes that is being picked up within the last 24 hours. A lot of earthquakes. Let's take a look what it was showing when I pulled the files just a little while ago. Let's go over here. So what are your thoughts? Do you think we will see an eruption within our lifetime? They're saying that they're hoping the next eruption will be about the size of Mount St. Helens, more likely larger. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please stay safe, keep prepping, and I'll talk to you later. God bless you.